Hi, myself Rajesh Jayachandran, Director LS Electric India. Basically, LS is a South Korean company. In Korea, we have a plant called Lighthouse Award plant, which means the complete plants runs on AI and ML platform. This is called Smart Factory. So with that experience of Smart Factory, the smart automation, so here we displayed the part of Smart Factory solution for the Indian market. So right from energy management, water management, so utility management, also the various dashboard. So this side we projected the electronic motor protection relay, so that you can call as a motor doctor. Any industry comes with 60% of the industrial load, where our electronic motor protection relay gives the foolproof protection. So like that, we have displayed all the key products which and solution which goes into the smart factory. So the second day of Automation Expo, so we are having a very good footfall. Thanks for IUD Communication for organizing this wonderful exhibition. Thank you.